Welcome to Avoca Data. Let's go start selling data leads and appointments on your brand new white label that you just set up. First things first, you want to go actually add credits to your white label so people can purchase from you and you can sell and collect their money on the payment page. First things first, you now navigate over to buy bonus credits. Make sure you enter in a payment method so that way you can automatically re-up the credits as you go off and as you sell them. Now, once you have your payment method entered, you're able to go to Buy Credits, and you'll actually be able to start adding credits to your account. With these credits, you will be able to offer them to any of your users through the agency package. So to get to the agency package, we're going to go over to our white label version. This would be your domain. And you'll see when we go over to the pricing page, we have the ability now to create one of our plans. If you didn't have credits purchased in advance, your users would then get an error pop up at the bottom of the page, and it would mention that there are not enough credits in this agency to purchase. So make sure you subscribe. We're going to be having a lot of these videos. We have dozens of features coming out every week. Thanks for your time. Again, I'm Brian. Come to Avoca Data. Thanks soon.